Today we're going to talk about the condominium, townhouse, and a house, and which one you'd like to purchase is up to you, but I'm just going to show you what the monthly payment end up being if you purchase the condominium for $100,000, a townhouse for $150,000, and a home for $200,000. So the condominium with the $100,000 purchase, when that end up costing you per month $900. If you decide to buy a townhouse for $150,000, you would end up paying probably $1,000 per month. So you see there is only $100 of a difference, and a house for $200,000 would end up being $1,300 per month. So it's not that big of a difference on a monthly payment basis. It's just up to you what you'd like to purchase. That's all.